Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and do hit that notification bell to get our videos before anybody else. Hello folks, this is Aitan Ajha from InspiredToRise.com and these are the Sony's flagship Bravia OLED A1 televisions. They come in two models with two display sizes and have got really amazing display. They have been showcased earlier at CES 2017 and today I got to experience these TVs for myself. These TVs come with a newly developed 4K HDR X1 Extreme processor by Sony, which has 40% more real-time image processing power than the 4K processor X1, which was the previous version. And this one has a tri-luminous display, which means that it gets really saturated when you are watching content, and it also comes with Android Nougat on this one. And these TVs would support Dolby Vision, which is the HDR format by Dolby later on. The 4K HDR display is quite good and you can determine the quality of the display just by the fact that when it's pitch black in the room, the display is also pitch black on the colors where black needs to be shown, which means no light is emitted from those colors, and that means better contrast and really saturated colors. It has got a one slate design approach, which means that the TV is just a single screen in front of you, no speaker, no bars, anything. And the speakers of this television have been incorporated inside in a unique way, which makes the whole display of this television a speaker unit. It emits sound from the screen itself. Using the OLED's backlight-less structure, Sony has an acoustic surface technology which produces sound from the screen itself, and there is an integrated subwoofer behind the TV which provides bass also for movie experiences. There are two actuators like this present behind the screen for the TV, and they vibrate the screen to create sound, which is really great and has a good spatial effect, 3D surround effect. So that is something that I really like. It has a wide sound as well as image synchronization dependent upon the quality of the source from where you are playing the sound. And by using this technology, they have essentially removed the bulk of the speakers from the television and still maintained a great sound. And here's a small sound demo taken from the television itself. So the sound that I recorded might not be of the best possible quality because I didn't carry a professional microphone to record this, but these televisions come with internal storage of 16 GB, have support for expandable memory, support internet browser like Opera, have access to Google Play Store, Netflix, Amazon Prime, BigLeaks, Sony Live application. It also has Wi-Fi Direct and supports Miracast, which is screen mirroring. It also has Chromecast built in, supports video and TV side view in iOS and Android, and also supports almost all of the Indian languages. It has got 4 HDMI inputs, 3 USB ports, 1 RF cable input, 1 composite video input, 1 analog audio input, 1 digital audio input, 1 audio headphone output, and 1 another audio headphone output, along with 1 subwoofer out. If I talk about the weight of these televisions, then the 65-inch one is around 29.8 kgs and the other is around 25 kgs. Now let's talk about the pricing for these devices. The 65-inch model would retail for a price of 4,64,900 rupees and the 55-inch model would retail for a price of 3,64,900 rupees, and they would be available starting from 15th August onwards. And if you pre-book these Sony OLED TVs from 1st to 15 August 2017 from select dealers, you would be entitled to get a PlayStation 4. So that makes for a great offer. So now who should buy these televisions? Who should go in the market to buy something like this? So this is really cutting edge technology. And if you're out there to buy something like this, then you should definitely have in mind that you need something for a very premium content experience You must have all of the prerequisites like a really high speed internet connection and all of other things in place, and if you have the money, then this television is a great choice because frankly speaking, it's one of the best TVs that I have seen in terms of picture quality. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos like this. This is Aytan Ajha from InspiredToRise.com signing off, folks. Stay inspired to rise. And a huge giveaway is coming soon. I'm collecting few more products in order to give away them soon on our channel.